Hi everyone, I'm Arda from Tedela College, and in this video I'm going to be talking about two main subjects. Hardware and software is our first topic, then I will talk about vector and bitmap. Firstly, hardware is the physical parts or components of the computer that makes computer work properly. We can classify hardware in two main groups, internal and external hardware. Internal hardwares are some main parts or components in computer that makes computer work properly, as I said, and motherboard, which connects all the components and makes them communicate with each other. CPU, which is the main part of the computer, which executes many of the commands, comes from other software and hardware parts. RAM, which is basically the temporary memory of the computer. Power supply, which provides electricity to all parts and components of the computer. Video card, which is a card that allows the computer to send graphical information to a display screen, such as a projector, a monitor, or a TV. HDD or SSD, which is basically the memory of the computer. And external hardware components are classified in two groups as well: input and output. Input hardware may be divided into three groups: keyboards, pointing devices, scanning, and other devices. Keyboards are the input devices which ensure us to write on the computer, and secondly, pointing devices ensure us to control the cursor or pointer on the screen and allow user to select options displayed on the screen. And we can give a mouse or a drawing tablet as examples. And lastly, the scanning device allows us to scan a surface and transmit it to computer, so we can work on it later. And we can give scanners, fax machines, or barcode readers as examples to this. And secondly, the output hardware. Output hardware converts machine-readable information into people-readable form, and we can group it into three categories: soft copy, hard copy, and other. Soft copy refers to printed data that is not printed actually, such as that shown on the display screen, and a monitor, a projector, or a TV can be examples as a display screen. And hard copy refers to a literally printed output. Basically, a printer prints characters or images on a paper. Other forms of outputs are sound, voice, and video. Sound output devices produce digitalized sound. Video output devices convert digital data into speech-like sounds, so we can hear it properly. Video consists of photographic images played at 15 to 9 images per second. So, if you'll work as a video editor, you should have a good video card, a CPU, and a RAM. To make fascinating visual effects and run it on your computer, you will need a good video card. Also, that kind of programs generally uses most of the CPU. So, to work properly, also you'll need a good CPU. And while rendering and working, you will probably use multiple programs. To do this, you should have a good RAM as well. And secondly, the software. Software is a group of instructions or programs which uses and directs hardware parts. They basically give orders to computer and execute commands. Scripts, applications, programs, and a set of instructions are all terms often used to describe software. For example, if you want to edit a video, you can use Adobe Premiere or Camtasia or such programs. Or if you want to just go online and browse something, you can use Chrome, Opera, or such programs as well. Our second main topic, vector and bitmap. If you compare vector and bitmap images, basically you will see that bitmap images are made up of pixels, but vector images are made up of objects. If you look up the main advantages of vector images, we will see that there is no DPI, I mean dots per inch or pixels per inch. So there will be no pixelation or blur on your image, and there will be infinite scalability without loss of quality in vector images. So actually your image will look clean, nice and sharp, and this is the advantage of vector actually. So thank you for watching my video and listening me. If you liked the video, don't forget to leave a like down below.